Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Sudowrite for beginners. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to get started with Sudowrite. All you have to do is go to www.sudowrite.com, and then here what you're going to do is you need to create an account. So tap on the very first link that you can see here, which is the Sudowrite. Now it will take you directly to their page, and what you're going to do here is you need to sign up with your Google account, or you can try this for free. For me, the easiest is to sign up with my Google account. Tap this one right here. And then to the right will ask you a few questions. All you have to do is to answer this. To the right will just ask for your opinion, and then to the right will help you with your writing process. So all you have to do is to answer everything here. Also, to the right will ask if you're currently writing a book or not. So everything is up to you. Let's just say I'm starting out, and then here what kind of story it is. You can just basically answer anything here. It's not really a big deal. Once done, what you're going to do is you have to tap on the next button thing. Now, let's just say if you have an existing document that you want to rewrite, or if you want to edit, you can just basically import that right here. Sudowrite will ask you to import the document, but you can also skip that part. So you can have a tour, or you can just skip this process right here and then proceed to Sudowrite. Okay, and now you will have your tutorial project entitled. So let's start with entitled right here. Let's create a new document right here or project. So I'm going to tap on untitled. So here in Sudowrite, you can see above here like the write section, rewrite. You can also tap on the describe, brainstorm, and so on. So basically, write, if you click this one, it is great for overcoming writer's block or moving your story forward. So you can basically choose the intensity of creativity here. So you can just basically change whatever you want to change here. Now there is this also rewrite, so you can highlight any paragraph and then click rewrite. You can choose between options like more descriptive, a more dramatic, more concise, and etc. Also, there is this describe, highlight a noun, click describe. Sudowrite will generate a sensory rich descriptions like sight, sound, smell. So all you have to do is to tap the one for brainstorm, click brainstorm in the sidebar, generate plot twist, character names, titles, or settings. And then also plugins. So if you want to integrate or add some tools, then you can just go to this plugins right here. And now to start, you just have to add the name or the title of your book or whatever you want to create here on Sudowrite. So let's just say if you want to ask Sudowrite to create a story for you, or let's just say create a blog or whatever it is. So for example, you can add a title like the new kid in town, let's just say something like that. So the right will give you a summary, or let's just say a short story for that, and all you have to do is to edit this. Like you can rewrite, you can just play with some tools here and features here inside to the right to make the outcome more enticing, or until you get your satisfaction. So as you can see, I'm going to tap right here. I have choices below, so I'm going to pick generate three openings. Click this one, then I should see the result on the right side right away. So you can choose from any, or you can choose just one here and add this to the page, or you can choose all of this. All you have to do is tap on the insert button and you will see it right here. Now, once you have your first opening, or let's just say the word, the story, or paragraph, you can now play with the rewrite section, describe, brainstorm. Everything is up to you. So that's how easy it is. So for example, I'm going to rewrite this. Let's just say I'm not satisfied with this one and want to rewrite this paragraph or this opening. So the right to rewrite this first opening. Okay, so basically that's it. Now you can also change the story engine in the top menu. You can look for characters, world setting, plot outline. You can generate chapters or continue under the brainstorm. And you can let the AI write structured scenes or chapters based on your outline. Once you have your chapter or paragraph right here, you can go to your describe. This one helps you expand or enhance descriptions in your writing. It takes a phrase, sentence, or idea and generates vivid, sensory rich details to make your writing more immersive. You can also go to brainstorm. It's a tool designed to help writers or help you generate a wide array of ideas and overcome writer's block. So all you have to do here is to just provide a seed, idea, or prompt. Users can receive a list of suggestions across various categories like description, articles, name, places, objects, plot points, characters. So basically, that's how you use the write, the rewrite, the describe, and the brainstorm option above here. Now the plugin section. So in Sudowrite, plugins are customizable tools that enhance your writing experience by allowing you to build or use specialized AI functions tailored to your needs. So here you will see different plugins that you can use such as Twist, Plot Twist. Okay, so basically you just have to click that one and then give a prompt or idea so that Sudo AI will know what do you want them to do. Now I'm going to create another document and then this time I want to use the other tool. So I want to try the chat with an idea here. I don't want to paste. I don't want to think about anything. I just want to give a keyword or topic and then let sudo write to create something for me or give me more ideas about this. For example, I'm going to type here thesis and then Sudowrite will ask what type of thesis or what am I referring to. So like this one, I want to be very more specific. So Sudo AI will ask me to be more specific about the keyword. So I can enter here, for example, a thesis about laws in the Philippines or any country. And then Sudowrite will tell me more information about this one. After that, I can highlight a specific paragraph right here and then ask you the right to ask more information and detail about this topic. Okay, so all you have to do is to ask, create an idea or prompt, and then let sudo write give you information about your questions. So this is it. And then once you have created an outline for your thesis, or once you have created a thesis here in Sudowrite, you can now play with the settings or tools above, such as the write, rewrite, describe, brainstorm, and plug in. So basically, that's how easy it is to use Sudowrite for a beginner. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.